Hello kids, how are you? Well, this week we are going to begin a new unit. It's Unit 3 and the title is Government, Rights and Responsibilities. So in order to answer to this questionnaire, we need to read pages 69 to 78 of our social studies book. Alright? So look, we have different types of questions. For example, in type number 1, we need to choose the correct option for each statement or question. So here we will only circle, underline, or highlight the correct answer. For example, number 1 says, what is government? We have 3 options. So what we will do is to go to page 69 and begin reading from there. But let's read first option A. Option A says, group of people who take decisions in the school. Option B says, group of people who take decisions in a town. Option C says, group of people who are elected to take decisions in a country. So let's go to page 69. Look, this is our digital social studies book that you can find in plataforma.eagles.edu.bo. All right. So here we have the title, we have some keywords that we are going to see in this lesson, and we have the lesson's objective. After reading this unit, you should know about the Bolivian government, the powers of a state. We are going to learn that there are 3 powers of a state, the rights and responsibilities of Bolivian citizens, the independence of Bolivia, and also the Bolivian national symbols. Okay? So, let's see. What is government? Remember what we read? So, if we read all this part, we will get to this point. Let's read a little bit. In every human group, such as a school, a club, a business, etc., there has to be somebody who is appointed to direct and take care of the problems which may arise in the activities these groups perform. The persons appointed or elected are the ones that take decisions, administrate its resources, plan its activities, etc. So look, when we talk about government, we need to know that we are talking not about one person, we are talking about a group of people. And this group of people are elected in an elections, well, here in Bolivia every 5 years. Yes, 5. That's my number 5. So you remember, high five. Now it says in this part, if we summarize all this information, says the persons appointed or elected are the ones that take decisions, administrate its resources, plan its activities, etc. If we come back to our questionnaire, which is here, option C is the correct option. Group of people who are elected to take decisions in a country. All right? We are talking about government in a country. Now, you will read the other questions and you will go back to your book like I am doing here. You will read pages 70 to all these pages. I'm just very quickly scanning them with you to page number 77, this one. It's 78 actually. Yes, but you will read until here, because until here we have all the information you need to answer to the questionnaire. So if we come back to the first page that I highlighted to show you as an example, okay, we continue reading from this point here to answer to the next questions in this questionnaire. This questionnaire is composed of 12 questions. Some of them are true-false, and to answer to all these questions, you need to read the book. Well, that's all I can explain. Remember, it's important that you highlight, okay? Highlight. When you find the answers in your book, you highlight them. This will help you that whenever you have a test or a review practice, you can study just the most important information. This is a good strategy to summarize. All right? So, that's all for today. See you in the next opportunity. Goodbye.